bow off.
Oh, that's okay. Just leave it in. Cute.
Let's go.
Okay.
Jump.
Go.
Swim! Swim! Kick! Put your face in the water. Swim! Again. Y'all get out, Kyle.
I think so.
Okay, do it again.
And then swim over this way. Okay? Come on, Smiley.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4. One,
Swim to the shallow end.
2, 3, go. It's a Labrador Retriever. A blonde one.
Hey, Kirkland. Look at me.
Kirkland.
Kirkland, put your
over
feet
here.
up in the air.
Over
Put
here.
your feet up in the air. Show Granddaddy how you do that. Put your feet up in the air. Come on. Oh, you're no fun.
Oh. Go
God,
back.
both feet. So funny.
Go backwards and put your feet up in the air.
Come on. That's not it. That's when he does his toes.
I know.
All right.
Here he goes. Here he goes. There, the toes. There, the
I
toes.
got him. I got him.
Do it again, Kirk.
Do it in. I'm going to zoom in on the toes.
Toes. That one. That's still.
Excellent.
Yay!
First place. You got a 10.
All right, do it. No, we've already seen that. That's old.
That's all.
Okay, Todd. Dive in.
You gotta dive.
Dive in.
All by yourself. All by yourself. Let's go. 1.
No. Go do it by yourself.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, look at that. He does dive like that. I know he does.
Put your
Yeah.
face in the water and swim.
Swim underwater.
Get those arms out. That's it. Oh, that's not bad. Very good.
Do freestyle. Put your face in the water. Do freestyle. Put your face in the water. Do
There goes
freestyle.
Weeks old. Where's that baby? I'm gonna get you. You were just laughing. 8 weeks.
Sorry, Mom. That wasn't fair to get locked in the car. Everybody, Eddie invited me for dinner. Tell you what, when the check comes, I'll sit on it. That way you can't run up to the parking lot.
Amanda. Amanda. Uh-oh.
He's gonna hit us up for a loan. Yeah, listen, everybody. Eddie may be a jerk, but he's our jerk. Gotta help him out. We don't. Nobody else is gonna be stupid enough to.